I want to start this review with a story. Way back in 2017, I got into a project that was looking at using blockchain technology to change the way that people interact with financial services. I bought a few thousand tokens at around $1 each. In the crazy bull run of late 2017, this investment increased in price from $1 all the way up to $12.50 per token. I took a small amount of profit, but I kept the bulk of my investment because I believed in what the project was trying to build. When the bubble burst, the price of the same project fell all the way down to 1 cent. I'd watched my investment rise in value from $1 all the way up to $12.50 and then come crashing all the way back down to being virtually worthless. At this point, I actually stopped following the project, and after a while, I forgot that I even owned the tokens. Fast forward to late 2020, when decentralized finance was taking over the cryptocurrency landscape, and I remembered that I owned these things, and I thought to myself, I better check out what they're worth. I was pleasantly surprised to find that the tokens had gone back up to $3, and today, they're worth almost $5 per token. What was this project? It was Voyager. In this video, we'll take a look at the background to Voyager and chart the journey from where it began in 2017 to where it is now in 2021. We'll look at the background of the project, the products they're trying to bring to market, and I'll make an assessment of whether I think that Voyager still has the potential that I saw way back in late 2017. Hi guys, my name is A.G. Hunter. Welcome back to my channel. My aim is to help you make better investment decisions by providing you with quality analysis of cryptocurrency projects. If you like what you see in this video, please hit both those like and subscribe buttons. Also, if you have any feedback or suggestions about topics you'd like me to cover, please leave them in the comments below. The Voyager that we see today has only been around since mid-2017. The company was created by a merger of the original Voyager project with an older cryptocurrency project known as Ethos. It was Ethos that I originally invested my money in back in 2017. Ethos really was a visionary project. It had a brilliant young founder named Shingo Levine who launched the project from his college dorm room in May 2017. What really made it stand out was its focus on custody. With the rise of decentralized finance in mid to late 2020, everyone became familiar with the idea of custody. For those of you who are unaware, custody refers to who has control over your assets. This is the very cornerstone of decentralized finance. Your assets held in your wallet, controlled by you and only you. Back in 2017, however, custody wasn't really on anybody's radar. It's always been a cornerstone of blockchain technology, but back then, very few people were talking about it. Shingo, however, saw the potential to launch a finance application which would allow cryptocurrency consumers to enjoy the benefits of financial services whilst maintaining complete control, aka custody, of their own assets. Ethos's main product was a mobile-enabled crypto wallet which allowed you to store all of your cryptocurrency in one location with the ability to track your portfolio performance and easily send and receive tokens to other users. At the time, Ethos had a roadmap which included the introduction of trading features and other financial services that would turn the Ethos wallet into a one-stop shop for all your crypto needs. In 2018, Ethos formed a partnership with Voyager, which was another project that shared similar objectives. Voyager was focused on building a high-performance, commission-free cryptocurrency exchange, a product which dovetailed perfectly with the robust and secure self-cryptocurrency wallet that Ethos had developed. After a period of time collaborating as partners, the relationship was formalized with a merger between Ethos and Voyager, which was finalized in late 2019. While Shingo Levine has moved on to other ventures, the fingerprints of the original Ethos project remain all over Voyager as we see it today. Voyager claims to be a commission-free crypto brokerage platform that provides users with the ability to buy, trade, and store cryptocurrencies from the convenience of a mobile app. The product provides a live cryptocurrency exchange where users can trade any one of the 50 currently supported tokens. It offers a fiat gateway to allow users to easily convert fiat into cryptocurrency and back again. The platform also offers attractive interest rates that are paid on assets stored on the Voyager platform with a look and feel similar to what you might find on BlockFi. One of the core principles that originally set Ethos apart from its competitors was also shared by Voyager. This was a deep commitment to embracing regulation. Rather than seeing cryptocurrency as a means of circumventing the traditional financial services sector, Ethos and now Voyager both sought to embrace regulation. They see their products as providing a bridge between cryptocurrency and traditional finance, as opposed to seeing one as a replacement of the other. Voyager has continued with this principle, with founder Steve Ehrlich recently saying in an interview that he believed that the Voyager team enjoyed working in regulated environments. In addition to being a cryptocurrency project, Voyager is also a listed company on the Canadian Stock Exchange. Steve states that he believes that the transparency provided by being a listed company benefits the shareholders, the token holders, and the customers of the Voyager product. The picture of a company that believes in the value of adhering to regulation rather than trying to circumvent it is reinforced when you look at the senior members of the Voyager team. Most of the team have deep backgrounds in traditional financial markets and institutional trading. The cornerstone of the Voyager application is the Smart Order Routing System. This is the product that Voyager brought to the table when they originally proposed a partnership with Ethos. This system is an institutional-grade trading platform that connects simultaneously with multiple cryptocurrency exchanges to ensure that clients get the best price available on any cryptocurrency that they wish to purchase. The team are so confident in the abilities of this platform that they offer completely commission-free trading. They make their money not from charging fees to their clients, but rather from the efficiencies created by the trading system itself. Voyager is currently working on significant enhancements to its product offering. In addition to their competitive interest rates and industry-leading crypto exchange, in the future the team are also looking to roll out debit cards, margin products, credit cards, and loans. While the Voyager app is currently only available in the United States, the team are actively working to expand their geographical footprint with plans to launch their products in both Canada and Europe. Towards this end, Voyager recently finalized the acquisition of LGO, a licensed French digital assets exchange, a move which clearly signals their intent to expand into continental Europe. True to their roots, Voyager also plans to roll out a self-custody solution for users of the Voyager platform. The Vgx Token serves as a loyalty token within the Voyager ecosystem. This is similar in some ways to the Plutus token, which I've previously reviewed. Holders of the Voyager token are able to stake their tokens to earn staking rewards and are also eligible for a variety of perks when they use the Voyager platform. Token holders are eligible for cashback on trades, cashback on purchases made using the soon-to-be-released Voyager debit card, and also qualify for reduced platform fees when accessing certain services on the Voyager platform. Most attractively, in my opinion, Voyager token holders are able to earn a higher rate of interest on their deposited crypto savings when assets are held on the Voyager platform. With both a market-leading cryptocurrency exchange and a secure mobile wallet built into the convenience of a mobile app, Voyager offers a set of enticing products for both crypto newbies and experienced crypto traders. Having covered the Voyager journey from inception to the current day, I'll finish with a discussion of what I see as the strengths and weaknesses of this project. It's hard to look past the proven track record of both the project itself and the team behind it. This is a project that has been quietly building for over 4 years to produce the products that are in the market today. The product itself is also great. From its very inception, Voyager has had a focus on exceptional user experience, and this is evident in the app that forms the basis of their product offering. Any project that aims to make it easier for new users to enter the crypto space is worthy of consideration as an investment, in my opinion. The team behind the project are also world-class, with long pedigrees at building successful e-commerce businesses. With experiences ranging from the early days of E-Trade to the founding of Uber, individuals of this caliber are an enormous asset to a project trying to forge a new path in a heavily contested market. Perhaps the most attractive feature from my perspective are the rates on offer for using the Voyager platform. Voyager has both a wider range of supported tokens and generally higher interest rates than its competitors like BlockFi. This has resulted in a dramatic uptake of the platform by new users. Assets under management went from just over $5 million in December 2019 to over $1.7 billion by March 2021. Consumers are flocking to the platform in huge numbers with no slowdown of growth in sight. The project has, however, been a victim of its own success in some regards. Voyager was completely unprepared for the massive influx of new users after they commenced offering interest on their deposit products in late 2020. This resulted in long wait times for onboarding new customers and a bad initial experience for many new users. There are many bad testimonials online from customers frustrated by this process. While the issue appears to have been resolved, negative sentiment towards the project in some quarters remains. Regulation is also a double-edged sword. While longer term I think the project is positioning itself for ongoing success by building its products with regulation in mind, in the short term, the need to meet the regulatory requirements of each individual jurisdiction puts a handbrake on the project's growth. This is evident in the US currently, where the product is only licensed in 49 states, as the team have not been able to meet the requirements for product launch in New York State. And finally, we come back to the Voyager token, where we started our journey. I'm not in general a fan of loyalty tokens. I think tokenomics are strongest when the token is incorporated organically into the platform. This is not the case with tokens like Voyager and Plutus. The Voyager token was inherited from Ethos when the projects were merged and was not part of the original vision for Voyager itself. The loyalty program has the feel of a concept that has been reverse engineered in an attempt to manufacture value rather than something that arose organically as part of the platform's development. The situation is muddied further by the fact that Voyager is a publicly traded company. Due to its structure, token holders have no governance rights and therefore no real say in the future direction of the project. The business also has a legal obligation to its shareholders and no corresponding obligation to its token holders, meaning holders of the Voyager token are at the bottom of the food chain when it comes to having their interests protected. Holding Voyager makes sense if you plan on holding assets on the platform and will benefit from the interest rate boost on the project's savings products. Purely from an investment perspective, it seems to make more sense to me to own Voyager shares rather than Voyager tokens. Shareholders will get all the benefits of the gains that the project makes, with many more protections. I'm thankful to Voyager for the journey, but I won't be doubling down on my investment at this stage. So if you're still here, that means you've watched all the way to the end, which must mean that you like what you've seen. Please hit like and subscribe to show your appreciation. Also, if you have any comments or suggestions on this video, or would like to suggest topics for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.